Hey everyone, today we're going to check out the Carolinian floor plan here at Granville. So this floor plan is only available in the South Tower and there's only 7 of them. So they typically sell out pretty quick. But come on in, let's take a look. So as you come in the room, you'll notice plenty of storage on either side. So you have 2 stackable dressers here. If we come on around out of this door, you'll see plenty of closet space. So 2 hanging racks, 8 drawers. I'll even fill all of mine up. So you're going to get a microwave and a refrigerator with this room as well. Right now it's tucked into the closet, but when you arrive, feel free to arrange that however you'd like. On the other side of the stackable dressers, you're going to have a 3-drawer chest, and these are on casters, so these are really easy to move around, adjust them however you like. What's nice about this room is the couch with the ottoman. So you're going to get this, have something to put your feet up on. Moving over, we have a desk with a lighted hutch, so you get some storage space up here, and there's also a light you can turn on for doing work. And the neat thing about the chair that comes with this room is you can actually take it apart. If you have friends over, you can set this on the floor as a rocker, and then there's an additional stool here. So if you know you're gonna have guests, boom, you're set. Easy to get it back together. Stick it on there, and click. You're good. So over here in the corner is the bed. Again, you can arrange this however you want to. It's your room, so do what you like with it. You just can't take anything out of the room. Another feature of this is a private bathroom. So if you walk in, you can see you're going to get just a standard tub, nice shower head. The curtain, or the liner is going to be in here for you. If you'd like to bring something decorative, definitely do that. Over the sink, you have storage space here at the bottom. As well as up top, so you get a little medicine cabinet here. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. Alrighty.